Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we are going to be making a giraffe, so let's get started. You'll want to come down a little bit from the top because we need to make sure that we have room for our giraffe's horns. So you're going to make a curved line, and then you're going to make a straight line coming down from each side of the curved line. And then we are going to make more lines coming down. They're going to be kind of slanted. And then we're going to close up at the bottom. That's going to be our giraffe's face. Let's add some ears, which are curved lines. And then let's add our giraffe's horns right here at the top. So we are going to add 4 lines total, and then we're going to add circles or ovals to the tops of those lines. Alrighty, let's go to the giraffe's face. Let's add some wide set eyes and a curved line here towards the bottom and some nostrils. Now we're going to make his neck down here. Giraffes have super long necks. I don't have that much room on my paper, so my giraffe's neck is going to be a little bit shorter, but if you have a longer piece of paper, then you can make a longer neck. So I'll go as long as I can. I'm going to just make a straight line down. And then at the bottom, I'm going to make his body. And I'm going to make his body look like this. It's almost like a letter C that's actually on its side. I'm going to make a small tail with some spiky hair coming out. And then I'm going to fill this with some shapes. Some shapes, they don't have to be any type of specific shape. They can be circles, they can be squares or rectangles. It's completely up to you the type of shape that you'd like to make for your giraffe. Now I'm going to come down here to his legs, and I don't have a lot of room for his legs, but I'll do the best I can. So I'm going to make 4 legs. So I'm going to make lines for 4 legs. So I have 1, 2, and then I'll put a hoof at the bottom, 3, 4, hoof at the bottom, 5, 6, hoof at the bottom, 7, 8, hoof at the bottom. Now I'm going to make a little bit of a background for my giraffe. Let me show you how I'm going to do that. I'm going to make a line that goes through his legs, but it doesn't go on top of his legs. It goes behind his legs. Did you see how I did that? I traveled along with my marker, and then once I get to his leg, I lift up my marker, I jump over, and I make a tiny line, and then I do the same all the way across. That way it looks like my giraffe's legs are in front of this line right here. Now I'm going to put some grasses down here, maybe a couple down here as well, maybe one here.